What's good, YouTube? It's your boy CEO Bug with Street Mafia. And we at the second location. And, you know, tonight's been a good night so far. No violence. We prefer to keep it that way. And yeah, bro, just stay tuned for more content and good things like that.
Friday night, looking for a man that'll do me right. First move that I made was on the dance floor, broke it down one time, then I went for more. Feels so cold, action was happening now. Saw this young player dip through the crowd, looked over to my left and told my girl, hey, if I see him again, I'ma have to say. Swing it over here, shout it. This man looking all around, doing all I can. Damn, he sure look. By the end of the night, he's gonna be. I thought to myself, he couldn't have gone far. Then I saw him again, standing by the bar. So far, everything is going my way. Now that I found him, I'ma have to say, shorty, swing my way. Sure look good to me. Now would you please swing my way? Shorty, swing my way. Gotta get up the nerve to get my swerve on. Gotta do it fast or he'll be gone. Cause of the beat, just my luck. That somebody else will scoop him up. Can't have that, wanna be that girl that found herself a perfect match. Didn't wanna come off as being too fly. Got contact eye to eye. Then I walked over to him slowly. Said, I know you don't know me, but this might be my only shot at a tenderoni. He told me that we can do this, cause a girl like you, I can't resist. Got straight to the point, no time to play. Didn't need no game, just had to say, shorty, swing my way. Sure look good to me. Now would you please swing my way? Shorty, swing my way. Swing it over here, shorty. Shorty, swing my way. Sure look good to me. Now would you please swing my way? Shorty, swing my way. I'll hold you tight all through the night. Anything that you want, I'll keep it wrong. Boy, you're gonna see.
Street Mafia, baby, our first week back. You know, we out here, we doing big. We're gonna keep doing this every weekend until the season's over, baby. We'll see you out here next weekend and tomorrow night for the race meet, baby.